Boy, it's cold. That was the ice. If you heard anything, that was the snow plows just went up the street. My poor little car out here is pretty ice covered here. I can't even open the doors. They're closed. We got snow coming. Let's go walk in the backyard here. That is totally ice. Look at that. Yeah. Now we've got 8, 10, 15, 20 inches of snow yet to come. You can't hear it, but it's just sleeting like crazy right now. He just doesn't come through. Those poor birds. I don't know how they survive. Barbecue pit over here. Totally ice. It won't open. And these trees, I'm gonna break my neck here. Look at that. Everything's coated. Now for Jerry, my friend in California, now you see what you're missing out on. Had my finger over that. My car. There's a guy going down the street. They just laid salt. So anyway, that's what it looks like in St. Charles right now.